Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today y'all, I'm going to be doing a little review. So I went to 5 and Below. I don't know if a lot of people is familiar with that, but it's like a store where everything is $5 and below. They have a lot of things like pillows, cute little stuff, you know what I'm saying, like clothes, socks, makeup brushes, a lot of makeup stuff, cell phone cases, a lot of toys, coloring books, house decor things, and just a whole bunch of variety of things that's like $5 and below. So I went there and I seen a lot of makeup stuff, but I really didn't get too much makeup because I'm still learning on how to do makeup, because usually I really don't do makeup. All I do is like my eyebrows, lashes, and just the eyes. I don't really do the face stuff. So I went there and I bought a couple of things, and I just wanted to test like the eyeshadows and stuff like that out, just to see, is it worth it, because it was like $5. So I'm gonna test this stuff out to see, is it worth buying. Let's just get into this video. So this is my 5 and Below bag, and I bought a couple of things. I bought 2 boxes of these. Sorry for the glare. So yeah, I got some of these flexi rods because I wanted to curl. I just need some. Every girl needs some flexi rods. So I'm gonna put these down here. I'm going to test these out on a separate video. So yeah. And then I bought me some makeup. Some makeup wipes. Okay. And it's 60 of them in here. And I actually use one, and it works very, very good. But I'm gonna show you guys on camera how they work. And I needed some of those because I'm not gonna be messing up my washcloths. Okay. Taking off makeup. I bought this eyeshadow palette here. And it's just like a nude palette. It have 12 different colors, and this was $5. Oh, this makeup wipe was $4. And this is just how the nude colors look. Hope you guys can see that. Okay, so I'm gonna be testing these out, y'all. I really don't like bright colors. I like, regular, like nude colors. And then I also bought this one, and this one has like the purple and all that. I think I'm gonna try the purple for you guys and see how that come out, or I might do like a pink or something, just to see if it's bright like it looks. And then I also got some lip glosses, and these are Wet and Wild. Yeah, these are Wet and Wild lip glosses, and I already used this one. I had to try it on. So these two, how they look. Hope you guys can see that. It's like a glittery color, and this one is like a white color. And then I have me some mascara, Wet n Wild mascara. And then I have me some eyeliner. Usually I use this to do my eyebrows. So I got me eyeliner pencil because I was running out. And I also was running out of this liquid eyeliner. I use these on the top of my, eyelids. Yeah, so I got that. And I got this. This is also, you could use this as well, like another eyeliner. So yes, all this stuff really is from Wet n Wild. And that's really all that I have. So let's get into using these. I just want to come and show you guys see how these eyeshadows gonna come out, sis, cause I'm not used to buying my stuff from 5 and Below, but the wrapper's gonna stick all on me and stuff. So we gonna test these out, y'all. They also had some cute, y'all need to shave, don't mind that, okay? But they also had some very cute makeup brushes, but they just wasn't enough for me to pay $5 for it. It was probably 4 in a pack, and it was just not enough. So I'm getting this brush off. So I think I'm gonna go in with this. I think I'm gonna do the dark purple, the all shades of the purple, just to see how it's gonna look. Okay, so let's get into this. So I'm starting off with this purple here, right here. Hopefully you guys can see. Let me. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see. So far this is how it's looking. So I'm gonna apply a second coat. Okay, so yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks looking pretty good. Okay, so let's try a different color. So I'm gonna go in now with this purple here at the bottom. The transformation a little bit, like that's darker, that's a little bit lighter up there. So let's try this lighter purple here. So I'm gonna wash this off. Light purple. Oh, all right, let's try it again. All right, let's try it again. Y'all, this looks so weird on me just because I'm not used to wearing purple, but it's showing up pretty good. I think I look like a fucking clown, but yeah. All right, y'all, we're gonna go in with green now. We're gonna try a different color. Matter of fact, we're gonna go in with the lighter colors. So we're gonna do like a peachy color. We're gonna do the peach colors. And with these peach colors here, like that one, these, you know, the peach colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this. I'm gonna go in with this color first here. It's showing up different on camera, but yeah. I will say that these colors, they're not really, you can tell that they're cheap. You know, you can tell that you put them in one area and it's spreading everywhere. You can tell that, you know, they're very, very cheap. So, you know, you get what you pay for, $5, that's what you get. So, let's just move on to the next. I'm using the peachy color now. I hope you all can see that. Yeah. Alright, so I give my review on this eyeshadow. I would give it a 1 out of 10. I would give this eyeshadow I'll give this eyeshadow a 3. Because I just feel like the eyeshadow is not, like, it's just too loose. You know, you got that thick eyeshadow that when this eyeshadow is just too thin. It's just not thick enough. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but y'all, it's not. It's just like, let me give y'all a better close up. Y'all see that? Yeah. Alright, let's move on to this mascara here. Sheesh. Okay. Now I'm sheesh. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this mascara. Alright, finally got that out the pack. So this is the Mega Volume mascara. Seems like ain't shit up in here. Alright, we're gonna do a mascara. This one doesn't have any mascara. My eyelids don't have any, and then this one does. And I'm sorry about all that shit. Alright, so now we're gonna try this lipstick here. Alright. Okay, so this lipstick here this lip gloss here is called Cancer. That's what it's called. And this is by Color Icon 69. So yeah. The color Cancer, white, Wet n Wild. So this is how this lipstick is looking. Lip gloss. I don't know about this. I mean, mean, it's not bad, but it's just too pink. I don't know. We're gonna get some makeup wipes and wipe this off. So the makeup wipes seem to work pretty good. Alright, now we're gonna move on to this lip gloss. Now this one is called, what is it called? Pisces. Yeah, this one is called Pisces. Oh, so each one of them have different little. Oh, I should have got Scorpio. Damn. I should have got Scorpio. Damn. I'm not a fucking Pisces. My dad, he's a Pisces, so. And he's okay. So we're going to try this. Because right now, I don't like Capricorns. Okay. Okay, so this is, oh my God, I look like a damn fool. So this one is Pisces. I will say that I like the Pisces. I think I like the Capricorn better than this Pisces one because I just don't like, it's just too much glitter. It's like glitter all over here. I can't do with all this glitter. It looks pretty like inside, but it's just too much. It's just too much going on with the lips, okay? So, yeah. Now we're going to try out this wing eyeliner, okay? We're going to try this here out, and hopefully this, I got hopes for this one, okay? I got hopes for this. So we're going to try it on this eye, okay? Y'all check out the wing. I can't really do a wing, okay, but this is okay right here. I can kind of work with this. It's not as wet as the one that I use now, which I kind of like, you know. But the only thing I don't too much like about this is that the brush, it doesn't flow the way you want it to flow. You know what I'm saying? It's a stiff brush. But I give this right here a plus. I can work with this right here. Yes, I can most definitely work with this. So I'm just gonna add these to my little lipstick collection here. Okay, let's take one of these out. Okay. So yeah, it's not that bad. Now let's try this eyebrow pencil. I know the eyebrow pencil works just fine because I have used this. They sell these at Walmart too, so I'm not even going to try that because I have one of those now. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try this eyeliner here. Okay. Ow! Stab myself. Shit. Okay. I look like a damn clown. Like, what? They really got these things in here packed good. They make sure don't nobody steal none of that shit. I'm telling you. Because people really do be trying trying to steal from 5 and below. Shit. Paper and shit. Alright, so let's see this roll. Yeah, it rolls. Okay. Uh-oh, I think it got fucking stuck. Okay. Now let's try this. I'm gonna try it on this eye. Okay. Can y'all see that? So, I had to actually rub it across there like a good 2 or 3 times for anything to show up. I really don't know what is this part for? Y'all, I never really noticed what this part here is for. Can somebody leave me a comment down below and let me know what that is? Because like I said, I'm not good at makeup. If you guys watch my channel, I do hair. I like to do hair, color wigs, all that. I'm not good at makeup, so I don't know really how to do the makeup thing. That's why my eyeshadow probably look messed up when it probably could have looked better. I don't really know too much about makeup. I'm just trying some new things. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and wipe this makeup off, and we're gonna go in with the nude stuff. So I'm gonna use this eye to go in with the nudes, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and test this. We're going to give this makeup wipe, these makeup wipes a test. So that's gone. Just one makeup wipe, and yep, we're ready to move on with the nudes. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this lip gloss off because it's all too much glitter, y'all. It's all around here. Ugh. We're gonna go in with this, and this palette says, "May your day be as flawless as your makeup." What? Okay. So we're gonna go in with, let's see. They have some cute little names for this. They have Slay, Passion, Temptation, Exotic, Bae, Girls Nightclub, Sketch, Twig, Cute Alert, Gold Digger, and Mystery. So I think I'm gonna go in with, which one I'm gonna go in with? I think I'm gonna go in with the Exotic. Oh, I think I'm gonna do the Twig. This one here, I don't know which one I'm gonna do. They're both cute. I think I'm gonna go in with the Twig. Okay, this one is it right here. So these are some really cute nudes. I think I'm gonna go in with this one, just to see how it shows up. All right, let's get into it, y'all. Oh Lord, this is another glitter. Guys, I like this eyeshadow palette more than I like this one already, because I feel like this one is not smearing when I put it on like this one. When you put it on, it smears everywhere. This one is not smearing at all. And I love the way that it's coming out so far. I only had to put one coat on here, and it's, you know, pretty cute already. So let me go in now with the, I'm gonna go in with the Mystery. The Mystery is like a white color. So we're gonna go in with that and see how that looks. All right, we're gonna go in like right above here. Okay. Well, it's showing up a little. Not really that much, but hey, it's okay. You know, it's you don't want it to be too much, you know. So it's giving it that cute little blend look. All right, we're gonna go in now with a sketch, and the sketch is this one right here. So we're gonna go in. What we gonna go in at? Cause girl, my eyes are so freaking small. I hate that. Or maybe I just don't know how to apply makeup. Y'all, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video because I just want you guys to know that nobody's perfect. I'm not perfect at doing anything. I don't want to sit here and act like I know what I'm doing when I can tell you guys that I don't know what I'm doing, and I'm pretty sure you guys can see that. I don't know how really to do makeup like that or whatever. Yeah, okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. But yeah, I really like this eyeshadow palette more than I like this one because I feel like it's not smeary, it's not smearing all over the place. And I also feel like I just like nudes better. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this makeup wipe to go ahead and take off all this makeup, okay? So this palette, I'm gonna rate everything how I think, what I like everything. Yeah, like I was saying, you guys, nothing is perfect. I'm not perfect, and I'm still learning how to do makeup. I'm just really not into it. I just like to do, you know, like a nude eyeshadow or whatever, and eyebrows, eyelashes, and lip gloss, and keep it moving. Like, I'm not really into all that makeup stuff. I never really was, but I always wanted to learn. But this was really like a fun activity, fun video for me to do with you guys. I really hope you guys really enjoyed this. Like I said, I'm not doing a makeup tutorial. This is not what this video is because I don't know how to do makeup. Okay, I'm still learning. But anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If it was fun, and if it was helpful for you to just, if you was deciding maybe if you wanted to go in Five and Below and purchase some makeup or whatever like that, this was a video for you to decide or not. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and make sure you guys leave me a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. And Vanity Room, my Vanity Room tour is coming very soon, so I hope you guys get prepared for that. Yeah, I am going to be doing also like a closet tour when I set up my closet because me and my boyfriend, we're switching closets. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, bitch, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.